Two important signs that regulate traffic at intersections: yield signs and stop signs. A stop sign requires drivers to come to a complete stop at the designated stop line, or before entering the crosswalk or intersection. After stopping, drivers must yield to any other vehicles, pedestrians, or bicyclists who are already in or approaching the intersection. A yield sign, on the other hand, means that drivers must slow down and be prepared to stop if necessary, but they do not have to come to a complete stop. When approaching a yield sign, drivers must give the right-of-way to any other vehicles, pedestrians, or bicyclists who are already in the intersection or crosswalk. If there are no other vehicles, pedestrians, or bicyclists, drivers may proceed through the intersection without stopping. Remember, always be aware of traffic signs and signals on the road and follow them accordingly to ensure safety for yourself and others. Thanks for watching and drive safe.